working in multiple industries
Mm-hmm.
and for the various companies. And for the last 10 years, I have my own practice, principally in the area of capacity building and training.
Okay.
And I can send you my web links so you can just look up the details there.
Okay. So which organizations have you worked for before?
See, I have worked for pharmaceutical companies like Unichem and then for a publishing company uh, by the name India Book House, and then for Prudential Insurance, and then followed by HDFC Bank. These are
Okay.
large corporates, and thereafter I've been on my own for the last 10 years.
Okay. So what motivated you to work for these? What was your first passion?
See, to tell you the truth, when I graduated, it was many, many years ago. In those days,
Mm-hmm.
you pretty much took up whatever came your way. You didn't have much of a choice.
Mm-hmm.
And the way I looked at it is to take up an opportunity and try it out for some time. And then,
Okay.
if it's worthy of a future longer career, you can continue. Otherwise, you have to switch tracks. So I changed tracks multiple times.
Okay. So how do you use technology, and how do you think technology will affect your line of business?
Okay. See, when I started off, there wasn't much of technology in the area of banking, particularly in the area of risk management. But over a period of time, everything that you do has to have a technology component in terms of software component. That is regarding the domain knowledge. As regards training, I think it is not feasible to do physical training for a long period of time. So I will be using technology to provide many of the services on an online basis so that it can reach many more people and across geographies. So it will become more intensive in its use uh, in business.
Okay. So what do you do right now?
See, right now I am in the process of developing content
Mm-hmm.
for online training by banking and finance professionals.
Okay.
So up till now, I was doing in-person training. Okay, now I'm going
Mm-hmm.
to start that and do online training so that I can put more content, reach more people, and most importantly, people can study at any time at their convenience.
Yeah.
Because the old model of education that you take a break and then study, that may not work in the future.
Okay. So what skills should someone have to succeed in your field?
That in my field, when you started off, you needed a background in finance. But like I said, there were many improvements in finance, not just IT technology, but the technology of finance also improved a lot. And this actually improved in the last 30 years. So it can be only met by in two ways. One is there is private certifications, right? But they are not very much in depth. So the second most important thing is self-learning. One has to inculcate a habit of self-learning. Self-learning is difficult. So the only way that one can do it is with today's technology. You can actually, there are many, many areas that you can upskill yourself by online training programs, which is not available from classrooms. So that has changed a lot, and the availability is improving gradually. So there is no fixed way that you learn this, and I want to change that.
Okay. So thank you, Praveen. Thank you for your time. See you later.
You're welcome. Thank you.